Good afternoon. We've had an announcement, an official announcement from Radtel on the new RT-1000 Pro, whether it can actually TX or TX on the aviation bands 108 to 136 megahertz in AM, because it's been much of the talk around the radio community. We certainly we certainly don't need it. We don't want it. We don't want anybody TXing where they shouldn't be. Certainly not on an aviation band. However, they have actually got an announcement out. We'll quickly move over. Product order, reminder, and functional disclaimer. Important order information for all buyers. Airband transmission and transmission regulations. By default, the airband transmit function is disabled at factory. Thank you for that. Do not transmit on any airband frequency if you do not hold a valid aviation license. Well, we know that. We all are responsible radio hams. However, if you possess a legal license, you can send them a copy via email at info@radtel.com. So that's info@radtel.com, and they will provide you with the combination keys and access codes to activate this feature to TX on the airband frequencies. Functional explanation and legal disclaimer. The AM transmit and receive function is an auxiliary function reserved for radio enthusiasts to communicate and testing purposes. Let's try that again. The AM transmit and receive function is an auxiliary function reserved for amateur radio enthusiasts for communication and testing purposes only. The device is not intended to be used as part of aircraft airworthiness systems. And it's got some other information down here that we haven't actually received before. Airband, dual rig repeater, GPS, APRS, 1024 memory channels, and so on and so on and so on. 2.4-inch color screen display, wake up functions, and so on. But this particular video is about the aviation side of the radio, and that function has been disabled at the factory. Thank you, Radtel. No doubt there's other people going to do other videos on this, because the price has actually been announced. That's for a different video. I just wanted to put out that information about the aviation band. And that's their website for you. Check for yourself. It can't TX on the aviation bands. It's been disabled at the factory. Cheers, guys. Thank you very much for watching my YouTube videos. Please like and subscribe. 3s.